Hello class 8. Today I am going to start with the page number 41 and we have completed up to page number 40 and we also completed the first paragraph of page number 41 from your English Bliss, and this chapter's name is Choosing Your Friends. So I'm going to start from the second paragraph of the page number 41. Please take out your book and turn to page number 41. So here it is written, the second doll stands for the second-rate friend. He may listen to you kindly, but he could be dangerous because your secrets will soon reach others. We have seen the first kind of friends. They are worst kind of friends because they are not listening to us. They are, maybe we are telling our secrets, maybe we are telling our problems, but they pretend that they are listening, but they are not listening. Okay, they are just listening in one ear, and they are everything, that means our problems, our distress, everything goes from another ear. So that means they are just pretending. They are not listening to us. So this type of friends are obviously dangerous and they are not trustworthy and lovable. The second doll, this stands for the second rate of friend. So he may be listening very kindly, but this kind of friends could be very much dangerous because if we tell our secrets to them and they are listening our secrets, and after learning our secrets, what they are doing, they are just telling to everyone. Okay, they are sharing our secrets to everyone. So it is very dangerous. So this is why the wire went through the ear and it came out through the mouth. Clear? With this kind of friend, there is love but no trust because he cannot keep secrets. But this kind of friends, we can share our secrets, but it's not at all safe to sharing our secrets with them. So this kind of friends can be lovable, but they are not trustworthy. The third doll represents the best kind of friend. Whatever to tell such a friend, he will listen carefully and kindly. Third kind of doll, that means the wire goes through one ear and it just remains there. And this kind of friends are actually very much good. Why? Because whatever we are telling our secrets, our problems and everything, they are listening. And they are listening very carefully and obviously kindly. He will try to help you and never talk about what you say to others. These kind of friends are always trying to help you and they are not sharing your secrets to others. You are safe with him because in such a friendship there is both love and trust. So you are safe. Why we are safe? Because with him, this kind of friends are actually very much, we can trust them and also we can love them. Okay. The king rewarded the craftsman for his beautiful dolls, and the craftsman praised the king for his wisdom. And then the king rewarded the craftsman for his wonderful, excellent work, and obviously the craftsman also praised, that means congratulated the king for his wisdom, for his knowledge, for his intelligence. All human beings need company because they cannot live alone. We as human beings need to make friends. Obviously, all people, they need the company of the friends. We cannot live alone. We need friends. We depend on each other. We often need the help of others and they need our help. Obviously, we need our help. We need someone's help, and someone is also some people, suppose like if we are needing someone's help, so someone will also needs our help. He or she is demanding our help. Okay. A life without friends is not worth living. To share our joys and sorrow, we should make good friends. Obviously, we cannot live alone. For sharing our joy, for sharing our sorrow, we should have someone. We should have the good friends. It is important that we choose our friends. Good and true friends are hard to find. We may think that we have many friends, but only a few of them will be sincere and true friends. Maybe we think that we have many friends, lots and lots of friends, but in reality, we have only few friends. That means because the few good friends are always very caring. Good friends are never show you the wrong path. And so if we think that we have lots and lots of friends, all people are not our friends. They have some certain criteria. They must, if I think of this person is my friend, so that person must have some characteristics. The person we should love him or her, we should trust him or her. And this kind of person always show us what is wrong and what is right. Okay. So we can choose anyone to be our friends, but friends, obviously, that means is a very special. All people are not to all people we cannot make the friendship. Okay. Friends and friendship must be tested. True and good friends will stand by us in our difficulties and trials. Yes, if we are in difficult position, if we are in problems, so true friends must help us. When we find good friends, we must learn to keep them. Friends can be lost and friendship can be destroyed. If we think that we get a very good friend in our lives, so definitely we should keep them, because friendship can be destroyed, friends can be lost. We have to be very careful in our words, deeds and behavior. Even when we are angry, we should not utter careless or angry words against our friends. It is dangerous to listen to others and turn against our friends. If we have such friends, so definitely we should care about our friends. We should we should be very careful in our words, our deeds, our behaviors. And even if we are angry, so always we should not utter the words which against our friends. Okay. And it's also very dangerous if we listen to others and turn against our friends. And if we think we have done this, so we should not hesitate to apologize to our friends. We should be prepared to forgive our friends if they go against us. And it's not only if we have done any wrong, we should apologize. If our friend have done something wrong, we should also forgive that. To have a good friend means being a good friend. We should consider ourselves lucky if we find few good friends. All care must be taken to sustain their friendship until death, because a good friendship is a great gift of God. Obviously, friendship means a good thing, as the best thing of the God. God has given this friendship. So obviously, you can say that we should take care of our good friends. We should take care of our good friends, because friends are such blessings, such bliss of the God which we get. If we get, we should think that we are lucky.